out there today in YouTube land? You're here with Flippin' Mike, and today we're going to be working on rear brakes for your quad and your front brakes too. Hopefully you guys are working on your quads out there and you need some help figuring out how to do your brakes. This is where you want to come. So let's check this one. Okay, your rear brake is in this drum back here, and you got to slide axle sleeve off, the hub off, tire off, and separate the shoes. Same thing as the fronts. You gotta take the hub off, and we will replace these shoes inside this drum in here. Voila. Do 2 front brakes. So now all I gotta do is fix the spark problem on the next video, and we'll be able to go take this out on a test drive. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully it was informative and you had some fun. I'm Flippin' Mike. I'll see you on the next video.
Perfect.